ArdiPi, which is powered by this Pico W, and this form factor is same as Arduino Uno. So you can use various shields which are used for Arduino. Plus there is onboard buzzer to provide audio alert in your projects. So you can program that. Then you also have reset button. Next, TF card slot. So micro SD card can be used for data logging purpose, and GPIOs are broken as a header. So in the next section, we'll see how to get started with this board. So now we are on SB component shopping site and ArdiPi page is open. So once you scroll down, our details are available plus resource. So there is software GitHub and hardware GitHub. So in hardware GitHub you can check out various design files as well as mechanical files like a step file which is very useful for case designing. And in software section, so you can see here there is getting started section where you will find detailed GPIO pinout and interfacing detail of various components which are available on this ArdiPi board. So there is TF card slot and buzzer, so you can see pinout connection with particular GPIO of Pico W, which is very useful for programming purpose. So after that you will find there is a section which tells you how to install boot firmware. So when you get your boot firmware will already be installed, so you can skip this step. If you in any case you require, then you can follow the step. So straightforward, you can start trying this onboard LED to test your ArdiPi. So I have already downloaded this GitHub. So let's check out what is there. In the example folder, you will see various codes available which you can open into Thorny. So already I have opened this one. Now as you see, there is no board is available because it is disconnected. So let's first connect. Once we connect, so there you can see COM port and particular board is. So we need to select this one. Now here you can see there is computer folder and this one is Raspberry Pi Pico folder. And to run various sample codes, some of code will not require any library and some codes need library. For example, if you are trying UHF shield on this ArdiPi, or if you want to play with SD card code, then you have to put this library file, plus there is a display library file. So just upload it to the root of this Pico so you don't get any error while using any code. Now let's try some simple code like this buzzer code. So if without moving this script you want, you can just click this run button and it will start executing code. You see. So similarly onboard LED. So you can see onboard LED is now blinking. And if you want this code to run standalone, like without using this Honey, if you want to execute your script, then you have to move your any code to this Pico. For that, just you have to save copy, then save to Pico. So currently it is busy, so that's why it is not allowing. You just have to stop it. And then now try to move this script, save Raspberry Pi, and then you just have to name it as main.py. So now code is transferred to Pico. You just have to unplug, and then when you plug, so you can see code is executing without the use of this Thorny. So similarly, you can transfer whatever code you want to try. In the next section, we'll see interfacing of any of the RD shield with ArdiPi. So now we will try to check working of this LCD shield. So connect on this ArdiPi. Okay, and make sure your jumper is on 3v3 select side. So because your GPIO for ArdiPi is compatible with 3.3 volt, and if you are using with different board like 5 volt board, then you just have to change this jumper to 5 volt side. Now interfacing is done. Just run this RD display shield interfacing code. Click on this run and you will see display is there. Press button. Okay, so that's it. You can try other shield demo codes with various shields options available on the site which you can buy. So thank you so much.